وإذ قال إبراهيم رب اجعل هذا بلدا آمنا وارزق أهله من الثمرات من آمن منهم بالله واليوم الآخر قال ومن كفر فأمتعه قليلا ثم أضطره إلى عذاب النار وبئس المصير.
And when Abraham prayed, O my Lord, make this a place of security and provide those of its people that believe in Allah and the last day with fruits for sustenance. Allah answered, and I shall still provide him who disbelieves with the wherewithal for this short life. And then I shall drive him to the chastisement of the fire, that is an evil end.
وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ إِبْرَاهِيمُ الْقَوَاعِدَ مِنَ الْبَيْتِ وَإِسْمَاعِيلُ رَبَّنَا تَقَبَّلْ مِنَّا إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ.
Recall when Abraham and Ishmael raised the foundations of the house, praying, Our Lord, accept this from us. You are all hearing, all knowing.
رَبَّنَا وَجَعَلْنَا مُسْلِمَيْنِ لَكَ وَمِنْ ذُرِّيَّتِنَا أُمَّةً مُسْلِمَةً لَكَ وَأَرِنَا مَنَاسِكَنَا وَتُبْ عَلَيْنَا إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ التَّوَّابُ الرَّحِيمُ.
Our Lord, make us submissive to you and make out of our descendants a community that submits itself to you, and show us the ways of your worship and turn to us in mercy. You are much relenting, most compassionate.
رَبَّنَا وَابْعَثْ فِيهِمْ رَسُولًا مِّنْهُمْ يَتْلُو عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتِكَ وَيُعَلِّمُهُمُ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحِكْمَةَ وَيُزَكِّيهِمْ إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ.
Our Lord, raise up in the midst of our offspring a messenger from among them, who shall recite to them your verses, and instruct them in the book, and in wisdom, and purify their lives. Verily, you are the most mighty, the most wise.
وَمَنْ يَرْغَبُ عَنْ مِلَّةِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ إِلَّا مَنْ سَفِهَ نَفْسَهُ وَلَقَدِ اصْطَفَيْنَاهُ فِي الدُّنْيَا وَإِنَّهُ فِي الْآخِرَةِ لَمِنَ الصَّالِحِينَ.
And who but a fool would be averse to the way of Abraham? For it is we who chose Abraham for our mission in this world, and surely in the world to come he shall be reckoned among the righteous.